Hi everyone, I'm Martin from Property Partners, and today I'm very excited to show you a 4-room HDB flat, 1001 square feet at a high floor with an open view and lots of greenery. Here we have the dining area seamlessly connected to the kitchen and the living area, and you can put a very nice size dining table. Of course, here we have the living room, and we have a very good wall-to-wall distance for you to fit a 3 to 4 seater sofa and as well as a 50-inch TV. Check out this beautifully renovated kitchen. We have KompacPlus material all done up over here for the kitchen top and as well as the backsplash, and they are scratch resistant, heat resistant and water resistant. And hook and hob done up from new from Fujito. Over here you can see a very sizable service yard for you to do all your laundry needs. The owners have fitted the whole house with very high quality vinyl flooring, and they are all very well maintained. And let's go check out the rooms. This unit comes with 2 common bedrooms, and one of the common bedroom has been merged with the master bedroom to create a bigger space. This is the common bathroom. Let's check out the common bedroom. Very sizable common bedroom, enough to fit a queen size or king size bed, and there is no built-in in this room, so you can configure it to how you want it. As you enter a master bedroom, we can see that the master bathroom is on the left, and of course you can see that the whole space is very nice and big, and you can actually put in the king size bed. The whole room is also done up in wallpaper, and you can see this is where the special unique thing about this unit is. Common room is actually combined together with the master bedroom to create a walk-in wardrobe, and of course this space is very usable up to how you want to configure it. You can use it as a place to do your makeup, or you use it as your study room. The possibilities are endless. Imagine waking up to this nice open unblocked greenery view every day. That would be very good. This unit is located in a very family oriented area. We have 3 primary schools within 1 km, Westview and West Spring Primary School, and as well we have Junction 10, which is within 700 meters of this house. There are buses located just nearby, and which will bring you all the way to town conveniently. Want to check out this high floor well maintained 4-room HDB over here? Remember to contact me, Martin from Property Partners.